In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to stop Samsung Health from running in the background. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Samsung Health is one of those apps that is always going to be running on the background, scanning for updates, any sort of notification, and so on. So you can disable it from doing this so it doesn't take as much memory resources from other applications. So first, head over into the settings. To disable Samsung Health from running in the background, go into the settings and then choose the apps category. So when you go inside of the apps for your Samsung device, you will have to look for Samsung Health. So you can use the search icon at the top right corner of the screen and look for Samsung Health, or scroll down on the list of results until you find it. Now, once you tap on Samsung Health, you will have the main options at the bottom: open, uninstall, and force stop. If you don't care about having Samsung Health on your device, I would highly recommend uninstalling it altogether. Now, if you are able to, it is just going to be just like uninstalling any other application, and the app will be gone completely, freeing up the storage space as well. If you use the Samsung Health app periodically and you just want to have it disabled from running on the background, then force stop the application. This will make it so it is not able to run on the background. It is going to disable it from running and taking up memory and any sort of resources from your smartphone. But if you ever open the app again, it is going to resume its functionality without any issues. So if all you want to do is conserve memory and resources, force stop the app until you have to use it again. Then you simply open it up and it will resume its functionality without any issues. And this is going to be the best way from getting this process done. Now, with all of that said, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you will be making a difference by helping us make higher quality videos and bring better solutions to your problems. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.